I've sold $2 million on Amazon in the past 3 years. And well, let me just show you my setup. Here's where we store the products. Here is where we prep the products. No, I'm just kidding. See, most people have it wrong when they start Amazon FBA, e-commerce, or an online business. They try to build this big 7 or 8 figure business and think the dream is having employees, warehouses, and running around like a chicken. But that's not the dream. The dream is being in places like Switzerland, places like Europe, and traveling the world. And in the past 3 years, while I've sold $2 million, I've done it without touching a product, having a warehouse, and experiencing every new culture and country imaginable. So I'm not here to show you a setup with a 8,000 square foot warehouse or 10 employees working daily and products all over the floor, because to me, that's nonsense. To me, the fact that you have the ability to do this from anywhere in the world, create systems, have a prep center, and look at me, I haven't touched a product in 3 years. And this is the dream, because maybe the opportunity isn't as big as if I had that crazy warehouse and this crazy business. But to me, the opportunity is right here, right? I'm on the top of a mountain in Switzerland right now, and it is surreal. I've been able to create this level of freedom that was unimaginable when I first started. And to see views like, I mean, just come here. This is far more worth, more revenue, more profit, and anything. To be on the top of this random mountain on a Tuesday at 10 o'clock in Switzerland is everything that I dreamed about. And this is why I built this. Now, instead of being disappointed that you aren't seeing a big warehouse or some crazy setup, you should be excited and motivated to know that this is possible and that it doesn't require a warehouse, employees, or some savvy business skills, because all it requires is the will to make it work, you know, the understanding how to make systems so you don't have to worry about your team, your business, and so on, and just focus on growth. So if you've been seeing e-commerce or Amazon FBA or dropshipping online, a lot of those other businesses I can't speak for, but I can speak for Amazon FBA. And if you've been thinking about starting, my best advice is just do it. Because I started with virtually no money to my name, but I had a will and a dream to make this work. And now it's working, and it's been working for years, and it's possible. And I'm sure you see everything online of Lamborghinis, fancy cars, watches, and most people think that just isn't real. And I can't speak for them, but I can speak for myself because I'm living proof of it right now here in Switzerland. And this is surreal to me, and it's just surreal. Promise me one thing, just get started. Dip your foot into it, start learning, start watching videos. This is why I make these videos, to teach people, to inspire people, because it's possible, guys. It is literally possible. I'm here and it doesn't get as real as this. So start learning and make me proud, and promise you that you're gonna give everything you have, because your entire life and future and travels are ahead of you, because I want to see you guys create the remote income and the remote freedom that you always dreamed about. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for now.